roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller.
Oh, very good, very good. Good fun.
Dog, cat, and monkey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good.
Good job. Very good. So, hello everyone. Wish you all a happy new year and welcome to today's inter-college quiz to commemorate National Youth Day. My name is Joanne Cunha and I'll be hosting this quiz along with Verhaen Khanna, who's the founder of the NDNS, as you all know, the New Delhi Nature Society. So, Verhaen, if you could elaborate a little.
Hi everybody, I'm Verhaen and I'm from New Delhi Nature Society. This NGO is working to protect the environment. We save trees and animals, we do school and college workshops, and we work with the authorities to protect the environment. This is just another one of our fun ideas to get people connected with nature. And today we have our host, Joanne Cunha. She's from Goa. She's a model, she's an actor, a singer, and a French language teacher. And so she's going to be our host today. It's going to be a fun quiz to spread awareness about the environment. Let's have a round of introduction for everyone, and then I can go through the rules of the game.
So we have 5 participants. We'd love to get to know you a little better. So let's get started with Isha.
Yeah, Isha this side. I'm from Motilal Nehru College. I'm in second year, and I love to dance. My hobbies: I love to dance, and I love to read books.
Which course are you studying?
BA program.
Great.
Lovely. Welcome, Isha.
Okay.
All right. So next, let's go with Jessica.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jessica Mahajan, and I'm from Noida. And I'm currently in my final year of Bachelor's of Pharmacy, and I'm pursuing this from DIPSAR, which is in Delhi. And I'm 22 years old, and my hobbies are to play outdoor sports and hang out with my friends and listen to music and watch movies and series. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thanks, Jessica. Love. Next up, Khushi.
Hello, I'm Khushi and I'm a final year student from Jesus and Mary College, and I'm actually studying French and philosophy. And I am also a volunteer for NDNS. I make videos for New Delhi Nature Society, and I love what I do and how little whatever that I contribute for the NGO. So yeah, that's me.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you, Khushi. All right, Komal.
Hi, I'm Komal. I'm in Maharaja Surajmal Institute of Technology and I'm pursuing BTech in Information Technology. My hobbies are I'm a classical dancer and I play board games and I like to play badminton.
Thank you. All right, and last but not the least, Muskan.
Hello everybody, I am Muskan and I am in third year of Bachelor's in Home Science. I am from Lady Irwin College and my hobbies are reading, not only books, but everything, whatever. And I really like to read scriptures, not just religious scriptures, but historical scriptures.
Okay, very nice. Cool. All right, thank you so much, Muskan.
We also have Joshita with us.
Hi, I am Joshita. I'm an intern at NDNS. I've just completed my graduation in political science from Ramanujan College, and I'll be keeping your scores and showing you what all options are there in the quiz.
So thank you, girls. And that was lovely hearing your intros. And it's so nice to see such lovely smiles here and looking forward to a fun quiz with you all. Yeah. So without further ado, shall we get started?
All right. Let's go through a few rules of the game. So all these questions, they have points. We have 4 rounds of questions. The first round is going to be the fastest hand raised first, and we'll ask you the question. The second and third round is everybody's going to get a separate question, and fourth round we have identify the photograph, and at the end we'll see who has the highest points. And
And we'll
if you get any answer wrong, we have a forfeit card here, so you can select any one of these alphabets. And behind the card we have a forfeit for you. So it could be something fun. Let's see. Let's start with questions. Joanne's going to ask you questions.
All right, let's get started. Okay, so as you know, the first round is called the fastest hand raised first. Okay, so I ask you a question, and whoever knows the answer can, answer first. All right, question number 1. The Indian flying fox is also known as a option 1, vulture, option 2, kite, option 3, bat, option 4, eagle.
Bat.
All right.
A bat. Okay, that's correct. Very good.
Okay, very good. Yeah. Okay, on to the next. Okay, a female deer is called option A, fawn, option B, filly, option C, doe, option 4, schmo.
Okay, Jessica was going to say.
Yeah, I'm just going to use my guesswork. I think it's C, doe.
Yeah, that is correct.
Very good. Yeah.
Awesome.
All right. Question number 3. Which one of the following is India's first national park? Option A, Bandhavgarh National Park. Option B, Indravati National Park. Option C, Corbett National Park. Option D, Gir National Park. Okay. So which of the following is India's first national park? Muskan.
I think it's D, Gir. I'm just guessing.
Okay. No, unfortunately, that's the wrong answer. So the right answer is Corbett National Park. So let's see, Muskan, can you choose one card from here?
A.
Okay, so behind your card A, you have to sing a song in any language. Just a short bit, maybe 10-20 seconds.
Okay, I would like to wish all of you luck because I suck at singing.
Any song that you like. I'm sure you have a favorite song in Hindi or any language that you like.
Or a childhood song.
Nursery rhyme, anything you like.
I have this song when we all used to say, it's a carol we all used to sing at Christmas, so eventually it's late, but I shall do it.
Okay.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains and the mountains, and reply, echoing the holy trick. Oh, Ria. I'm really sorry.
Okay, thank you. That's a beautiful carol. Thank you.
Good stuff.
Yeah, very nice.
I'm cool with that.
Okay, so now we come to question number 4. All right. A group of snakes is called option A, gander, option B, cave, option C, den, option 4, flock. Okay, so a group of snakes. Anybody?
The options are gander, a cave, a den, or flock. Okay, Jessica, what is your answer?
Is it gander?
Gander. Okay. No, that is incorrect. That's good. At least you tried. Now, next, Isha. Okay.
A, option A.
She said option A, gander.
Option A has already been mentioned.
Khushi, what is your option?
I was thinking den. Is it a den of
Den.
Yeah, she got it.
That is the right
That's
answer.
the correct answer. Good job, Kushi.
Very good.
Good.
Good stuff. Okay, so
Yeah.
Jessica has to choose one card from here.
D.
D. All right. So it's a tongue twister. You have to say upper roller, lower roller. So say it like 10 times very fast.
10 times.
Yeah.
Okay. Upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller. I've lost the count. I'm sorry. Upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller. Okay, four more.
Yeah, four more.
Upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller, upper roller, lower roller.
Oh, very good. Good fun.
Yeah.
Tongue twister is always fun. All
Yeah.
right. Now we're on to the last.
Got in the flow after some time.
Yeah. The last question for this round now. Okay. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? Option A, coal. Option B, petrol. Option C, solar. Option D, nuclear. Okay. So the question: which of the following is a renewable source of energy?
I think Kushi was first.
Is it solar?
Yes, it is. Good job.
Yes, that is correct. Solar energy is renewable. Very good. So all of these questions, there were 2 points each.
Very good. Yeah.
Now this next round, it's going to be 5 points each. Okay, so we'll have 1 question for everybody. Joanne, you can take it away.
Yes. All right. So the first question goes to Isha. Okay. A group of lions is called a. Option A, herd. Option B, school. Option C, convoy. Option 4, pride. Okay. A group of lions is called a. Isha.
Option A. I guess. I don't know.
Okay. The answer is a pride. A pride of lions.
A pride of lions. Okay.
Okay.
So then you'll have to do a forfeit.
Which one is it going to be?
C.
C. Okay. It says stand like a tree. How does a tree stand? Show us how a tree stands. Trees stand in one place for thousands of years. Okay.
It have many branches, so.
So which tree are you standing like? Mango tree,
You can
Jawa
take
tree,
anyone.
neem tree.
Yeah, whichever one.
Mango tree.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank
That's
you.
it.
That was
Very good. Thank you, Isha.
Now we know how a mango tree stands out. So that was a good imitation of a mango tree. Next question.
All right, next question.
Okay.
All right, so Jessica, be ready. All right. Which of the following is not on the 3 R's? Option A, recycle. Option B, reuse. Option C, reduce. Option D, reverse.
D, reverse.
Okay. That is the right answer. Very good.
Perfect. Good job. All right. Next one. The next one goes to Kushi, okay? Which of the following is not compostable? Option A, paper. Option B, leaves. Option C, fruit. Option D, credit card.
Option D, credit
Got
card.
it?
Credit card.
Okay, good job.
Yes, very good.
Very
How
good.
did you know that?
Because it's plastic.
Okay, yes, that's right answer. Plastic
Perfect.
doesn't, it's not biodegradable.
Next question goes out to Komal. All right. Energy resources that are formed from the remains of once living beings are called A. Minerals, B. Gemstones, C. Metals, 4. Fossil fuels. I'll repeat the question, okay? Energy resources that are formed from the remains of once living beings are called minerals, gemstones, metals, or fossil fuels. Okay.
I guess it's D, fossil fuels.
The fossil fuel.
Yeah, that's the correct answer. Good job, Komal.
Very good.
Very good.
Next.
All right, we have the final question, which is for Muskan. Okay. One full-grown tree is equal to A. 3 saplings, B. 10 saplings, C. 100 saplings, and D. 1 tree. Okay. So one full-grown tree is equal to 3 saplings, or 10 saplings, or 100 saplings, or final 1 tree.
See,
Take a guess.
I'll explain it a little bit. Sometimes when they have to cut a tree, so they try to explain it to others that we will plant 3 saplings, so it's equal to 1 tree, or we plant 10 saplings, so it's equal to 1 tree, or we plant 100 saplings, it's equal to 1 tree, like that. So, which is the right answer?
I think 10 saplings.
10 saplings. Okay. So the answer is 1 tree, because 10 saplings will not be equal to 1 tree. You can't take shade under the.
But how can we plant another tree?
Yeah, because under 10 saplings you cannot get shade, you cannot climb them. Their saplings are only so big. So one big full-grown tree like a banyan tree, it can only be equal to 1 tree. It cannot be equal to 10 saplings. But people, they do this. They plant 10 saplings and they say it's the same as cutting down 1 big tree. And under 1 big tree you can park your cars. You can, people make their shops, bus stands, everything. Okay. So would you like to choose one?
H.
Okay. So you have to hop on 1 leg while batting your head and rubbing your tongue. So it's like opposite actions. One is batting and one is going around it.
Okay, can you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good.
Good job. Very good.
Awesome. It's actually quite difficult to do that. I try to do it, it's very difficult.
All right. So now we shall go on to round 3. Okay. This is the round. It's called What Animal Am I? And it'll be multiple choice. Okay, multiple choice questions. All right. So the first question goes out to Isha. Okay. Question 1. I eat grass and I have 4 stomachs. The answer. Option A, dog. Option B, cow. Option C, monkey. Option 4, cat. Okay, I eat grass and I have 4.
Yeah, that's the right answer. Very good. Cows have 4 stomachs.
All right. Let's go on to the next. Jessica. I am a soft and furry pet. I have sharp teeth and claws. I am related to lions. Option A, ox. Option B, bear. Option C, cat. Option D, elephant.
C, cat.
Okay,
Yeah,
good job.
that's correct.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah. Third question goes to Khushi. I can be your best friend. I can protect your house and I love being petted. Option A, tiger. Option B, goat. Option C, elephant. Option D, dog.
Option D, dog.
Okay, good job.
Yeah, that's
You have to
right.
get this one right.
That was easy.
Yeah. Okay, fourth question goes to Komal. I have a really good memory. I can pull water up my nose. My relatives are used for entertainment illegally. The answer: option A, elephant. Option B, zebra. Option C, tiger. Option 4, monkey.
Option A, elephant.
Yeah,
That is correct. Yeah,
very good.
very good.
Okay, and finally, Muskan.
Okay, I have a question for you. Okay, what is black and white and red all over?
Black and white,
And red all over.
red.
Yeah.
Black and white and red.
It's usually people say it's a newspaper because it's red all over the place and it's black and white. Or you can say it's a bleeding penguin. So there will be blood everywhere and it's a black and white bird. Okay, we'll give you the points for this one. Penguins are black and white, and if it's bleeding, then there's blood all over the place.
Oh,
Because
being funny, obviously.
when they come swimming back from the water, when they come to the land, and if the waves are too hard, then they get hit against the rocks. So they come out of the water and they're bleeding all over. And after some time, it heals up. So I saw that on Discovery Channel.
Oh, interesting.
Thanks.
Okay, so that was a good round. Which animal am I? All right, we come to our final round, which is called the I've seen it before round. So we're just going to show you some images, each of you individually, and then you will have to identify what's in the image. All right, let's start with Isha. Okay.
Okay. Can you guess what is this?
Yeah, any guesses?
Plumeria flower.
Yeah, that is
I
correct.
think so.
How did you know that?
That was amazing.
Like, I have
I would not
that
have
flower in
guessed.
my house.
Very good.
I have
Yes.
that.
That's good. A lot of people don't know the name of this one.
All right, let's go to the next. Yeah, Jessica.
Can you guess this one?
Very common, I know that. I'm just guessing. Is it people?
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Good job. Wow. That's a good.
So a lot of people suffer from tree blindness. They don't know about the trees around them. Sometimes they walk into the trees, sometimes they drive into the trees. And if a tree is cut outside the house, they don't even notice that it's missing. So by identifying the names of plants, that's one good way to get rid of tree blindness. Okay, next.
All right. Next, Khushi. Okay.
Just guessing. Jamun?
Oh, that's incorrect. Which was Shatut, mulberry.
Oh,
Okay,
nice. Oh,
choose a card.
This is interesting. Which ones do I have now? I'll go with F.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to name 5 animals holding your tongue.
Oh. Okay, wait. Holding my tongue.
Yeah.
It is super interesting. Okay. Lion, tiger,
Riger.
dog, cat, and monkey.
Okay.
4?
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. Good
Good
job,
job.
Kushi. Yeah. All right. The next one is for Komal.
This is a sloth bear.
Not bad. Yeah, that's the right answer.
Yeah, that is correct
Very
answer.
good. How did you know it's a
Very
sloth
nice. Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it because it is like very lazy, and so am I.
Yeah. Also,
Yeah.
if you look at the nails on the bear. So these
Yeah, I've
nails are there
seen.
in sloth bears.
Yeah.
Okay. Who's next?
All right. So the last person for this round is Muskan. Beautiful bird.
Is it a vulture?
Yes, that's right. This is the Indian
Yes,
vulture.
correct.
Wow.
It has a
Wow, this is
very
good.
elongated neck.
Okay.
Wow,
So
this is a very good round. Everyone did a super job.
yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. So now we're done with the main quiz. So good job. All of you were really good at this and it was really fun hosting this. Now we'll have a small little round where I'll ask you a common question. There are no points for this. So, all right. So the question is, if you were the environment minister, what would be your first priority? Now we can do this in any order, okay?
Whoever wants to
Anyone
go
like to
first.
start? Yeah, whoever wants to go first. If you were the environment minister, what would be your first priority?
If I were on this designation, my first priority would be spreading awareness. Like we see many hoardings around for population control or cylinders or stuff like these, but these plant related things are only found near a big garden or inside on a tree. No, and telling people that it's not, and being environment friendly is not just not cutting trees and giving dogs this food, street dogs. It's lots more to it. First of all, it's empathy. They are also our inhabitants on the planet we are living, so I would like to launch schemes, would say, to make people more aware about what should a person do to another inhabitant with us, like we treat a son or a daughter or somebody, a human, in a humanly way. Why not them?
Yeah. Okay. Well said, Muskan.
Yeah. Very nice.
Who would like to
Next.
go next? All right.
Kushi.
Okay.
If I was the environment minister, I would first want to tackle with air quality, because it kind of brings it has a lot of subcategories like tree planting or cutting of trees, and pollution. Like it comes with a lot of sub branches, and it is the major issue that Delhi is facing. One of the major issues.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I guess air quality, air pollution.
Okay. Thank you, Kushi. Well said. All right.
Yeah. Next.
Who'd like to go? Okay. Okay, Jessica.
Yeah, so if I was made the environmental minister, so my main focus would be on the ecosystem, because it is we are also a part of it, and if one phase is affected, so are we. So what I think, that it's better that we should spread awareness for the endangered species of both plants and animals, because they are also a part of ecosystem, and once they are depleted, the whole chain is going to be disturbed. So that is going to be my area of focus.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good point. Makes a lot of sense.
Okay. Who's next?
All right.
Between Isha and Komal.
Isha and
Okay, Komal.
yeah.
My focus would be to fund the NGOs that are helping animals so that they can find a home, and the air quality too, so that I would like to recommend people to carpool, like the Ola and Ubers, so that the it's less pollution.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they do it abroad
That's a very
also.
good point. Yeah.
Okay.
Who do we have
Last
left
but
now?
not the least, Isha is left.
Isha. Yeah.
As I'm a nature lover, I would suggest everyone to plant more trees, like in their households also, and like where there are less plants and trees. And I would suggest everyone to use cycles so that there is less pollution and the environment is not harmed. Like
Yeah.
the same as the Komal's point.
Yeah. If we have cycle tracks everywhere, then people will use cycles more. And the cycle tracks have to be comfortable also. Because if it's
That's true.
if it's too sunny, then you don't want to go cycling. But if you have trees covering the cycle track, then it feels good to cycle under that. So, yeah, we're trying to get some more cycle tracks here in Delhi. So that brings us to the end of the quiz, and let's see who got how many points.
Oh yes.
Joshita, who's the winner?
So Muskan has got 9 points. Isha has got 7 points. Khushi has got 12 points. Komal has got 12 points, and Jessica has got 14 points. So our winner is Jessica.
Okay.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Congrats, Jessica. Good job by everybody. This was a very interesting quiz with lot of twists and turns. One never knew what to expect. There were some really easy questions and there were some very tricky ones, and so good job, really. It's good fun.
And we all got to learn something new also during this through the questions.
Yeah, exactly.
A lot of fun. Thank you all for participating in the quiz.
Yeah, thank you so much.
What was your favorite part?
It was very great.
The forfeit questions.
Oh yes. My favorite part too, right? Some entertainment and chance for a few laughs.
See you again next time. You can check out our Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. So all of our awareness material goes there. We have a website, and you can also volunteer or intern with us and help us do the workshops or organize events for people, for tree climbing, for nature walks, college programs, school programs, everything like that. Bye. See you all. Thank you all
see you
for
all.
joining.
Take care.
Bye.
Lovely having you all over. Yeah.